My name is Sophie McNamara. Today I'll show you how to create your first ever video in Adobe After Effects. After Effects is a digital visual effects, motion graphics, and compositing software. It's used in post-production for television, film, and video games, among other things. This video will cover creating your first composition, importing footage, navigating the timeline, and adding text. Step 1. Create a composition. Open After Effects. Click New Project. Click New Composition. Give your composition a clear name. Clear naming is an essential habit to build when working in After Effects. For preset, pick Custom. That way we can go through the settings and better understand our options. The standard screen size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. For pixel aspect ratio, pick Square. This means that your pixels will be squares, which is the standard pixel aspect ratio. If you were optimizing for particular types of displays, you might want rectangular pixels. For frame rate, pick 24. Frame rates vary depending on project. If you don't have specific instructions, start with 24. For resolution, pick Full. Make sure your timeline is set to start at 0. For duration, pick 0:00:05:00. This means that your composition will last 5 seconds. You can change the background color if you like. Click OK. Step 2. Imports. This box is the project panel. When you import footage, it'll show up here. As you can see, the composition we just created shows up here. If your project panel doesn't show up, go to Windows Project, or you can hit Ctrl-0. To import, hit Ctrl-I. To open footage once you've imported it, drag it into this box. This box is called the timeline. To create a new composition, click this button. Think of each composition like it's its own Google Docs document. Each composition is its own separate video, but you can easily do things like copying and pasting back and forth between compositions. Step 3, the timeline. This is the timeline. To watch your video, press spacebar. If you'd like to go back and rewatch part of your video, press spacebar to pause, and then drag the blue cursor back. This controls how much of the timeline is in view. Right now, we can see all of it. As we move the slider closer to the big mountains, we zoom in. This shows what frame of the video you're at. Step 3, add text. Click the T button to open the text tool. Press your cursor down and drag diagonally. Type something, then edit your text in the character window. To open the character window, go to Windows, Character. You can change the color, font, and font size of your text, among other things. Alright, that's all for now. Check out my tutorial on how to create basic animated graphics here. Thanks for watching!